Hello guys, welcome to Python and Machine Learning Daily. Today let's quickly talk about multi-line strings in Python with or without f-strings. And I will show you a few examples from one of our demo project which is coming soon also on this channel as a YouTube video. So let's start with this one. If you want to have multi-line string in Python, you may use 3 double quotes. So for example, for SQL query, which is multi-line, it makes sense to have something like this as a value. That is if you don't have any variables inside, just a static string. But what if you do have some variables? For that, you may want to use f-strings instead of concatenating with plus sign. But actually, you may combine both. So this is an example. We're building prompt for ChatGPT, in this case for OpenAI API, and line by line, we're passing the structure of the table. So we have one f-string, so table has columns, which is a variable. Then we have a string operation of join of fields. Each field is an f-string in itself. Then we have list comprehension, and then we add plus new line at the end. Of course, this is just one way to concatenate it all, but again, I wanted to show you an example of possible combinations. And then final example I wanted to show you from the same project. It's a pretty big f-string, and this is how you can combine f-strings with triple quotes for multi-line. So this is a very big prompt for ChatGPT for OpenAI API, and this is actually kind of a pro tip side note. This is exactly how you should build the prompts for ChatGPT, because the more detail you give it, the more accurate would be the answer. So you are a salesman, information is this, given this, first do that, so all the details with separate information of guidelines and then some variables. So variable table prompt, variable chat history, and then some rules. All those variables are built on top of this script, and this is how you build the final prompt for the OpenAI API. And this is an example of a very long multi-line string with f-strings in Python. Do you use f-strings in Python in a similar way like shown here, or in some other way? Share your experience in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel to get more tips like this one and more practical examples about Python and machine learning. And see you guys in other videos.